Let's look at this concept, matching. A matching in a graph G is set of non-loop edges with no shared endpoints. So which means if you try to take the edges with no shared endpoints, means no vertex should be common in all the edges that you have selected. If you can select that such edges, that is called as a matching. So if you have a graph, in this graph you try to select the edges in such a way that no two selected edges should have anything in common, any vertex in common. For example, in this case, if you see this, I am selecting the edges 1, 2 and 3, 4, isn't it? Now if I take 1, 2 and 3, 4, these two are not having any vertex in common, therefore it is a matching. Even if you would have taken only 1, 2, that would also have become a matching, right? Now by adding one more, that is also a matching. Now the matching need not be only this one. You could have taken other combination, which means you could have taken 1, 5, but then if you would have taken 1, 5, you should not choose 1, 2. Why? Because it is going to give rise to a common vertex, right? So you can choose 1, 5, and then you can choose, let's say, 4, 3, or you could have chosen 2, 3 with 1, 5. This is a matching. So what are the various matchings possible? Either you can say 1, 2, this edge itself is going to be a matching, or to this edge you can add 4, 3, and you can call this entire set of two edges as matching. Or instead of these two, you could have chosen some other combination, 1, 5 and 4, 3. Only rule is, whenever you have chosen these edges, see that no two selected edges are going to have a vertex in common. That's the only rule, right? And also in this example, if you see it, now you could choose 1B, 2A, 3D and 4C, right? Now the vertices incident to the edges of a matching M are saturated by M, the others are unsaturated. Right now, if in this case, let us say you have taken 1, 2, 4, 3, then these all vertices are actually called saturated by the matching, and the vertex 5 is called unsaturated, right? Now in this case, if you observe it, all the vertices are saturated. If you assume that we are going to take these four edges, one is 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. If you assume that we are going to select all these four edges, then all these 8 nodes are saturated. There is no unsaturated vertex in this, right? Okay. A perfect matching in a graph is a matching that saturates every vertex. Therefore, according to this definition, this is a perfect matching. What is a perfect matching? If we saturate every vertex, then it is a perfect matching. We shall see more about these matchings. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral. which means without any security now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.